Hello everyone, this is Elizabeth from Juba, and today we have our new product, which is the air conditioner that uses solar system as most of our products at Juba. So for our solar uh, air conditioner, it has an inner unit and outside unit with the solar panel and the Panasonic compressor with the storage battery and the controller. And then we have also the remote. So this remote can help you to adjust the temperature according to the room you are in. And then inside here of our outside unit, there is the Panasonic compressor that helps to function, and also cooling fan. And how it works is very simple. The solar panel produces power to the DC 48 voltage battery, at the same time to the DC 48 compressor and the cooling fan. And then there will be the production of heat and maybe coolness inside the room. And then we have like 9,000, 12,000, 18,000, and 24,000. And we have different working hours, like maybe 8 hours, 12 hours, 10 hours, and 18 hours, and 24 hours. So you just have to specify how many working hours you need per day, and we give you matching hours. Thank you.